In this video, I will show you how to get started with Fossa. We will walk through the steps to create your Fossa account, link your GitHub, and run your first license scan. From the Fossa website at fossa.com, click the Sign Up button. You can create an account or use a secure sign-on method. For this tutorial, we will use Google SSO. Once your account has been created, you will be prompted to enter your organization's name, then click Start using Fossa. That's it. You now have a Fossa account and dashboard. To run a scan, our options are integrating locally with the CLI or doing a quick import. The quick import method is the one you will want to use when running your first scan and testing out Fossa. Once you are finished trialing Fossa, use the CLI method for a more in-depth scan. For this tutorial, I will show you how the quick import method works. Under Quick Import, click on Continue. You will choose the service you want to connect to Fossa from this page, in our case, GitHub. Click the green Connect with Service button. This prompts us to either link our GitHub account or continue without. Linking your account will redirect us to GitHub to authorize Fossa on your public repositories. After authorization, your GitHub account and all of your public repos will become available to be analyzed. This is my demo GitHub account, so I still need to get public repos. Let's fork a repo so you can follow along on your own account and reproduce the same steps. Let us jump over to GitHub and the repo we want to fork. Fossa works with all your favorite coding languages, including Python, C or C++, and JavaScript, to name a few. The link to the GitHub repo is in the video's description. The fork button is in the top left. We can rename our fork or add a description and click Create Fork. Now that we have our repo, we are ready to run our first Fossa license scan. To do that, we'll pop back over to the Fossa dashboard, and with a quick refresh of the page, we will now see our newly created public repo. By selecting the checkbox at the top left of the repo, we can run our first license scan using Fossa. Fossa brings up the latest commit. Click the Analyze this version button. Fossa is now reviewing the licenses for your code and all dependencies. Notice that you don't have to change anything about the repo. Unlike other tools, Fossa is a zero setup solution to test for license compliance. After the analysis, we are ready to run our first issue scan. Hit the Run Issue Scan button. Fossa is now scanning all previously analyzed dependency packages to detect licenses and vulnerabilities. Our algorithms precisely identify issues at an unlimited depth, so any dependencies that your dependencies rely on are also checked, giving you peace of mind. And that's it. In these few short steps, we created our Fossa account, linked it with GitHub, forked a public repo, and ran our first scan in under 3 minutes. In the next video, we will review our scan results and learn what it means.